So I've got 15 feet of conveyor belt going around these two circles, okay? That's 15 feet. And we're trying to figure out that red distance. We're trying to figure out this distance here in the middle, the red. Now, if you look from here to here is half the circumference. From here to here is half of a circumference. Circumference of a circle is the measurement around the outside, and the formula is 2 pi r. They also tell me that the diameter of each one of these circles is 1 foot. So the radius would be 1/2 foot. So circumference is 2 pi times 1/2. Circumference equals pi. Okay? So let me change to green. From there to there would be pi over 2. And from here to here would be pi over 2, because it's just half a circumference, and this is the entire circumference. But pi over 2 plus pi over 2 is 2 pi over 2, which is pi, which that makes sense. So if you take your 15 feet and subtract off pi, what you're left with is that blue line there, that distance, and that distance. Okay? Now, that's too much. We're just trying to find that red line. Okay? So I need to take my leftover conveyor belt, which is 15 minus pi, and divide it by 2. And that gives me the distance between the center of those circles.